Hello, I am Akhil Gupta and I am the head coordinator of Internship Cell. We, a team of 24 junior members of Internship Cell and with a team of 20 senior members, have worked throughout the year and conducted many events at IBS Gurgaon regarding the SIP of students, and we work with the companies also, and we help them to conduct their processes in our campus and get these students of a college placed for the internships in the companies. We work throughout the year and we try to maintain good relationships with all the colleges.
Hello everyone, this is Dhwani Goel. Right now I'm in second semester and soon I'll be getting an opportunity to work with EY as an intern in HR department. And I would like to thank IBS for giving such a good opportunity as an SIP. And 14 weeks of duration for the internship is a very good amount of duration which will help us to have a gist about the workplace and have a knowledge, theoretical knowledge turning into a practical knowledge. And right now I'm nervous as well as excited to work with EY, and expectations for the company are just having a good fruitful experience after 3.5 months of internship, and having working with people in the office will give a good experience, and I'm looking forward to the internship.
Hello everyone, I am Arjun Kapoor. I am currently pursuing PGPM program at IBS Gurgaon. I would be doing my summer internship with CBRE India. It is a global leader in real estate services. My experience of the interview was very fruitful. My main motto was to stay calm and composed during the interview and respond confidently under pressure situations. I currently hold the position of Vice Coordinator at the Internship Cell, and we have managed to bring in a lot of companies in the past 2-3 months. It would be a really nice experience for the IBS students to work with such companies, such big brand names.
Hi, my name is Ajit Singh. Currently, I am pursuing my PGPM from IBS Gurgaon, and recently I got placed in Securities for my internship program. And regarding my internship, I am pretty excited about that. I'm very expected that it will going to boost my knowledge for my placements that will going to happen in 4th semester.
Hi, my name is Riddhi Chawla and I've been placed with Tata Power as an HR intern. The profile which has been allotted to me here would be employee engagements, which is another added advantage to my profile of recruitments, which I already have an experience of. How excited I would be about the profile here would be definitely yes. The excitement level would be very high because working with a brand like Tata Power would be a great exposure for me, and I would get to learn more and more and enhance my knowledge into it.
14-week SIP is a very unique feature of IBS. This 14-week longer period gives a very good exposure to our students who are freshers. Every year we are able to place all the students in the companies of their choice, and we are hopeful this year also we are going to place all the students in good companies. Till date, more than 60 companies have visited IBS Gurgaon campus to recruit our students for SIP. We are putting many efforts so that our students get good SIPs. For example, SIP sensitization sessions are being conducted very frequently. Junior students are interacting with senior batch and senior batch students are sharing their experiences with junior batch to enable them to get a good SIP. SIP test members are interacting with all the students of class of 18 to make them prepared how to crack GT, how to crack PI, and how to get a company of their choice. Likewise, we are also conducting best SIP winner of last year in all the sections of junior batch. They are sharing their experience, and we are hopeful with all these efforts we would be able to place all the 500 plus students of our class of 18 in good companies. I thank all the best to all the students of class of 2018 for their SIP. Thank you very much.